Good afternoon, children. I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well being. Open your eyes, children. Let us begin our first chapter, which we have done little bit in the last session. We have learned about types of computers in our previous online class. Now today we are going to start how we use computer languages to communicate with it. Now, computer languages. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with the computer, we need a language that a computer understands. For every action, computer has to be given instructions accordingly. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its rule, is also known as syntax. The development of programming languages has improved considerably with the ease and ability of programmers to write powerful application programs. The development of computer languages has been classified into following categories. First is machine language, assembly language, high level language, and fourth generation language. So let us study about it. Machine language. It is also known as first generation language. It is the only language that a computer understands. It is also known as natural language of computer. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off, the absence of an electric pulse, and 1 means on, the presence of an electric pulse. It has some advantages also and disadvantages also. So first advantage, machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. It does not need any translator program. Disadvantages of this language: understanding and learning machine language is a tough. It is time consuming process. Difficult to write and debug programs written in machine language. It is machine dependent also. Machine language is also regarded as low level language, LLL. A machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on other computer. Second is assembly language, second generation language. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1, means binary number. Assembly languages uses symbolic codes, hence it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as add in assembly language. It has also got advantages and disadvantages. First, clearer to humans. Use symbolic codes. It is easy to locate and correct errors. Disadvantages: needs translator programs called assembler. Like machine language, it is also machine dependent or specific language. High level language is also known as third generation language. The restriction in the usage of machine and assembly language prompt people to develop a language with the following features. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these languages. They are also known as high-level language, HLL. High-level languages is quite similar to the English language. COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular example of high-level language. High-level language has also got advantages and disadvantages. So let's see the advantages. Simple and user-friendly language. Language that is machine independent. It is easy to learn. Programs developed in high-level language can be run on any computer text. Disadvantages: a high-level language has to be translated into the machine language by a translator, which takes up time. Fourth generation language, 4GL. Fourth generation languages are closer to human language than any other high-level languages. Fourth generation language are a combination of languages with the following feature: highly user-friendly and independent of any operating system. Very high speed of execution, designed to reduce the level of programming effort. Minimum efforts for the user to obtain any information, designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. Structured query language, SQL is the most popular example of 4GL. So that's for today. Dear students, as we have reached towards the end today's class, so now let us all observe 2 minutes silence for the peace within and outside and for everyone's well-being. And it is an assignment for day 3. So children, you do it in your notebook and mail it to me. Thank you.